Hello students, let us continue our topic of lines and angles. In our previous class we have learned the theorem, and now in this class with the help of the theorem we will solve exercise 6.3. Now see, the most important questions of this topic is you have to prove that if the bisector of angle B and angle C of a triangle ABC meet at a point O, then prove that angle BOC is equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A. See, from this figure, we have to prove that angle BOC is equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Now see here, simply from this figure we observe that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to how much? 180 degree. We know that because of the sum of three angles of a triangle. Now we have to prove that angle BOC is equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A. So what we have to do, we will see that how we will arrange so that we will get 90 degree plus half of angle A. For this, just see here, from the figure we can take from triangle ABC, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, as sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that we know. Now to find the value 90 degree plus half of angle A, we have to think and we have to arrange in geometry. Now for this what we have to do, we have to take half of all the angles. So see, half of angle A plus half of angle B plus half of angle C is equals to how much? 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So we can say that what? Half of angle A. Now this we take as angle B is equals to 1 and angle C is equals to angle 2. Okay, so here at the place of angle B and C, we can write half of angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to how much? 90 degree. Why? Because here B, so B, just you see, B, here whole B is not given. Here we have taken half of B as 1 and half of C as 2. Is that okay? Here just you see, half of B as 1 and half of C as 2. Okay, so see, we can write half of angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree minus half of angle A. Now see here, now in triangle OBC, now in triangle OBC, similarly angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree, as this is also a triangle. So here we can write that now in triangle OBC we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equals to how much? 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we can write angle BOC is equals to 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle BOC is equals to how much? 180 degree, and this will go to this side, or we can take the value of angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree minus half of angle A. So same thing we will put here, that 90 degree minus half of angle A using 1. Now angle BOC, 180 minus 90, we will write plus half of angle A minus minus plus. So therefore we can write angle BOC is equals to how much? 90 degree plus half of angle A. This only we want to prove. So finally we got angle BOC is equals to how much? 90 degree plus half of angle A. Now see, similarly the next question is, in triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to point E, okay, and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equals to 90 degree minus half of angle A. Previously we have proved angle BOC is equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Now see, from this figure, this is our figure, and here we have to find angle BOC is equals to how much? 90 degree minus half of angle A. Now see here, just we think that angle ABC and CBE, what? Angle ABC and angle CBE forming a linear pair. So we can write here angle, as angle ABC and angle CBE form a linear pair, so angle ABC plus CBE is equals to 180 degree, and as BO is the bisector of CBE, here just you see as BO. BO is the bisector of angle CBE. So what we will write? Angle CBE is equals to twice of angle 1. Okay, and therefore angle ABC plus twice of angle A is equals to 180 degree. Now we can write twice of angle 1 is equals to 180 degree minus angle ABC. So angle 1 will be how much? Thus you cancel it, 180 by 290, and this becomes 90 degree minus half of angle ABC. So angle 1 we got 90 degree minus half of angle ABC. Similarly, again angle ACB and angle BCD form a linear pair. So we can write angle ACB plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degree, as CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Therefore, angle BCD is equals to what? Twice of angle 2. So angle ACB plus twice of angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So twice of angle 2 is equals to 180 degree minus angle ACB, and angle 2 is equals to 90 degree minus half of angle ACB. Now see, in triangle OBC, the below part, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree, and from all the three we can write the value of angle 1, angle 2 and angle BOC. So angle 1 we know that 90 degree minus half of angle ABC, angle 2 90 degree minus half of angle ACB plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Now see, in triangle ABC we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So we can write angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree minus angle A. So from the above we can write, from the above, from 4 and 5 we will put all the value, 180 degree minus half, 180 degree minus angle A plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree, and angle BOC is equals to, just you take all the value to that side, 180 degree minus 180 degree plus half of 180 degree minus angle A. So angle BOC is equals to how much? This get cancelled, 1 by 2, 180 degree minus angle A. So here hence we can write angle BOC is equals to 90 degree minus what? Half of angle A. Is that okay? See students, these two questions are very important questions, and most of the times this question is asked in the exam. So you must practice this question twice or thrice. Okay, so this much for this class, and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.